So here I am going to share 5 tips for your offline networking community. Are you networking and you feel that you are not able to connect with other people? Hi, I am Dr. Sreeveni, an author, an image specialist and a transformational catalyst, a self-worth influencer. Welcome to my YouTube community. Whenever there is a networking community, there must have been a small gulp here holding you back. Oh my God, I am going to meet so many people. How am I going to present myself? How am I going to create my first impressions? If you follow these 5 tips, definitely you can cross that threshold and then later on go ahead and make long-lasting relationships. The 5th one is a smile. Wear a smile. When you are wearing a smile, you are actually making yourself approachable to the other person. That is the first thing which you remember in any networking event. And also go ahead with a firm handshake. And when you are shaking your hand web to web and then hold the hand and just 2 pumps. Remember this, as when you are doing this handshake, you are making the eye contact and as well as the smile. This is how you go ahead. This is the 5th one which I have mentioned. From there comes the next, the 4th one. Start a small talk. Learn how to connect. Small talk. Be aware of the topics, general topics which are happening, the trending topics or the topic on that day which is most important. Go ahead and browse and then be ready with the small talks. Engage in meaningful conversations. Yes, this is the 4th one. Engage in meaningful conversations such that you are holding the attention of opposite person. When you are doing this, they would be interested in you and you can go ahead and interact with them over a period of time. This registers for them as the first impression. They will never forget the first time they met you, at which event they met and what you spoke. Throughout all this communication, maintain the 3rd, which is nothing but your professionalism and your etiquette. Etiquette is nothing but your behavior and mannerisms which you are following. People will generally observe that. In your networking event, there are many people who are going to observe you and are going to connect it, if not now, in the long term. So, when you are managing that conversations, also be aware of your professionalism. Don't go dig deep into their personal details, and you also don't reveal too much of personal details. Handle it at the base level, that is nothing but just professionalism and also your etiquette. The way you are conducting, the way you are maintaining yourself, your behavior, what it is speaking. So all of that mannerisms, go ahead and keep focus on how you are being presented as well. So your presentability also matters. The first one, when you are heading to any networking event, carry your business cards. When you are carrying your business cards, please go ahead and offer your card and also receive the card with respect. You have to offer the card in such a way that font is on their side. They can read the card and then they will look at it and then you say thank you. And once they offer their card, receive it. Receive it, pay attention and read what is there on the top. As you are reading, you are actually memorizing the name as well as you are giving your respect to the person who has offered. And this way, the other person will feel very much, happy and satisfied. So follow all of these small pointers, the 5 tips which you can inculcate as your habit so that you can network and create your first best impressions in the offline networking event. Below is a scrolling to my WhatsApp group. Please go ahead and connect with me on WhatsApp where you can book your online coaching with me, one-on-one coaching, as well as you can get regular content for your personal growth as well as professional growth. If you have loved this content, please go ahead and like and comment and share with your near and dear ones. Also, please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you.